Hi friends, Auntie Cuckoo here. Welcome back everyone. So I just wanted to come to you today to share this really cute farmhouse inspired Valentine DIY. Now I found these little houses at the 99 cents only store of all places, and they inspired me for this entire DIY. I love how they look. I hope you'll stick around and see how I created this super cute, rustic Valentine decor. It all started with a trip to the 99 cents only store. I have seen these little quote-unquote shelves for a while, but after Hearth and Hand put out their collection, I was certain I needed to pick up a few for myself and bring them home. So that's exactly what I did. I went ahead and picked up a set of 3, brought them right home, and put them here on my mantle. I didn't need to do anything other than go ahead and remove the little round attachments at the back of the houses. It just took a little bit of ingenuity and elbow grease. I have very strong crafter's hands and pulled those right off. Now, I love them just as they are, but you could do a million different things with them. But seeing as how it's Valentine's season, I think we need to do something farmhouse, rustic, woodsy to tie into our Valentine decor. So it must be time for a field trip. Let's go see what we can find. Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and today we're taking a little field trip. We're going somewhere for a DIY that I've never taken you, but probably most of you've been to. Any guesses? So we've arrived at the Home Depot. Let's go shopping. So today I'm going to share a few of my little secrets about saving some cash at Home Depot. The first thing we're going to do is head on back to where they have the scrap wood. So it's usually back right where they have all of the table saws, and we're going to take a look to see if something would be appropriate for our project. So the pile is the smallest I've ever seen it. I'm in here often, but that one strip right there looks just right for us. It's a little bit crooked, and the gentleman told me he had just put it on the pile. So everything on this flat is 70% off. So we're going to get a great piece on this piece of lumber. But if you're unable to find something that would work for your project, I'm going to show you a few other options in the store. They do have these that are nice and thick for $3.33. They would be a great. Here's another option for $2.24. It's not quite as big width-wise, but we're cutting these down into like 3-inch by 4-inch pieces. So as you can see, you can find plenty of lumber for right around or under $3 to do this project. Now we really scored because we found a piece of lumber 70% off. The best part is he cut the lumber for me for free. So I got the 3 pieces that I was wanting. He also cut me a piece that's about 1 foot long, and I have extra lumber just to hold on to for future projects. Now, since we're here, I'm going to share with you guys a few of my other favorite areas in Home Depot. So this is the sticker area. Now you can get stickers to make different signs or for maybe a house plate with your address, but they have some really good deal on some heavy duty stickers, alphas and numbers, and I always check over here when I have a project in mind. It's not necessarily Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but they have pretty great prices if you're looking for some alphas for a big project. That's definitely a place you want to check out next time you're into Home Depot. Here's the other place I love, the Oops Paint. So this is a place you can find some great quality paints at a really low price. $2 for this size, and just check your lids. It'll show you your color and finish. So if you're looking for some flat gray paint, for instance, and you have a large project, pick up a gallon like this. It's $9. It's going to be a great quality paint and it's going to last. They often also carry smaller versions for 50 cents that I pick up all the time for crafting. So I'm just showing you the wide variety of colors that they do put out there. And here's what I was talking about. Here's a nice flat cream color and it's only 50 cents. So this one's coming home with us today. You guys know me, no trip to any store is complete until I visited the seasonal decor area, and they're putting out some really cute bunny statues for Easter, and I just wanted to share them with you guys because they're pretty cute. So here's our little cut ticket. You'll be given this by the person who cuts your wood, and there's no charge for 6 cuts. So on to the register, let's see how much we owe them. So here you go, guys. The lumber was originally $3.73. It was marked down 70% off because it is one of their quote-unquote damaged boards. So they took $2.61 off. And then I just bought that little small container of the eggshell off-white paint. And my grand total today was $1.76 after tax. Not bad. I hope you guys enjoyed that little field trip to Home Depot. Now let's head home so we can start crafting. All right, so we're back home and now we need to get these little blocks sanded. Let's knock off all the roughness on the edges. And truthfully, I used my little hand sander. It made things go a lot faster. You could absolutely use sandpaper, but I was in a hurry. So we've got them all sanded. I took out some stain from my stash. It's just a medium wood tone. I have this little guy to open my can. I'm gonna go ahead and stir up my stain. And I've got my gloves and my rag right here. So let's get these puppies stained. So now we've got them all sanded and stained, and now it's just time to let them dry. So let's go ahead and work on our hearts. When I pulled these little hearts off of the Dollar Tree sign, I decided to go ahead and fill in the little holes on the back with some spackle, and then just give it a quick little sand and touch up any rough edges with some red paint. And I love the way they look once they've been sanded, very rustic. And this is all just from a Dollar Tree sign that is a vertical sign that says welcome. I just took it apart and I'm using the back sides for our rustic hearts. And the last step here to our little project is to just hot glue our little hearts onto our wooden blocks. And there you have it, our finished farmhouse Valentine decor, all inspired by those little Hearth and Hand looking houses that I found at the 99 cents only store. So I feel like this all goes together so well with my style for decorating for Valentine's Day. I always like some red and black and white, and I love to tie in the rustic farmhouse look. So this is our finished product. I think they go together so well. They kind of remind me of my 3 kiddos because all of the houses are slightly different in size, as well are the blocks. I hope you guys enjoyed our little field trip to Home Depot. It's a little bit out of the norm for our DIYs here on this channel, but I wanted to show you a few of my little tips and tricks, and of course tie in the wood element for more of a farmhouse look. So I hope you enjoyed this Valentine DIY, and I'll be bringing you more in the days and weeks to come. Thanks so much for watching, friends. I'll see you very soon in the next one.